Hello and welcome to another episode of Drive Gear. I'm your host, Ramiro Ortiz, and today we're in Banging Bellflower for the summer car meet presented to you by Rosewood Barbershop and Royal Flush. Check it out, guys. Hey guys, we're here with my new friend Oscar and his Mitsubishi Ralliart, right?
That is correct.
What year is it?
It's a 2010.
Have you made any modifications to it?
Only thing it has right now is the engine intake, D2 coilovers, Whistler wheels, 18 by 9.5s, stretch tires. That's about it for now.
All right, you were telling me earlier that you got a bunch of stuff at home just lying around, ready to come into the car. What are you gonna do to the car?
After this, pretty much gonna start tracking it. Got larger intercoolers, turbo bag, everything, the works, just at the house, just waiting to get slapped on.
So it's, the car's ready to become a monster, right?
Pretty much. The goal is to be hitting about like 400s.
That's pretty beast. You were telling me that you have a couple sponsors now. How's that going?
Sponsors are good. I actually just got my first sponsor, which is Whistlers, which is my wheels. Very first sponsor. I'm trying to work on a few more sponsors right now at the moment as well.
Are you trying to just make it a show car, or eventually are you going to start racing it just on a regular basis?
Most cases can be a show car. That's the goal. But I said I'm going to put some power into the wheels, so I will be tracking it at some extent.
Awesome, awesome. Are you looking to get some first place trophies and all that?
Yeah, so I've only gone to one show, which I didn't win, unfortunately. But it was my first show. I'm not worried about it. Many more to come.
Where could people like hook up with you, check out your car, pictures of it, that kind of stuff?
Pretty much follow me on Instagram. It's Castillo_Supremacy. You can follow me there.
Awesome. Are you going to be doing other shows in the near future that people can go check out your car at?
Not that I know of at the moment, but it is show season, so you will be seeing me out there.
Hey guys, I'm with my new friend Fabian, and he's going to tell us about this awesome Nissan 350Z that he has here. What year is it?
It's a 2003.
Any modifications to it? Anything crazy?
So far, just a paint job, and I switched up the body kit and all that.
What's your end goal? What are you trying to accomplish with your car?
Well, I'm trying to get in the magazine, to be honest. Trying to get the engine modified pretty soon. It's probably supercharger, do internal work, you know.
All right, so you're going to definitely kind of give it a track setup, that kind of thing?
I'm trying to go for that.
Sweet, sweet, sweet. What about any other cars that you're working on, or is this your main car? Is it your daily driver?
Well, so far, this is my daily driver as of now, but my brother has a 3rd gen RX-7, and I was planning on buying it, so probably keeping that as a daily and show this one out, you know?
For sure, for sure. So you're trying to build a stable of cars, or is it just like a hobby, or is it like this is what you do?
Yeah, dude, man. I mean, cars is my thing, you know? So that's on me right there.
That's awesome, that's awesome. A dream car, what would it be? What would it be?
Well, a dream car would be on Maserati. But this is the closest I'm going to get, so this is my dream car, to be honest.
Which one of the Maseratis, just if you don't mind me asking?
Dude, they're all beautiful, man. So.
Yeah, they're all great. They're all awesome cars. Just final question. Oh, well, one of the final questions. Where can the people find you? Where can they find your car? Check you out?
I think the best way would be Instagram. You can follow me at Simply Dunk Z33, and find me right there. So.
Awesome, awesome. Hey guys, so I'm here with my friend Kevin, who's a car enthusiast, but he's also an entrepreneur, and he's gonna let us know about his clothing line. As you can see, he's got this badass shirt right here. It's awesome. So he's gonna give us a little bit about that. What can you tell us, Kevin?
This is my new tee. You know, this is the baby head design. My brand is called Stvygold Collections. You can find me on Instagram, Stvygold Stunners Co. Yeah, we just recently dropped this new design. It's a real image. It's a baby, but you know, it's a newborn. Like, we're born stunners, so we're just here trying to just be positive. You know, we're out here with Rosewood today, Hella Flesh and DriveGearTV. And yeah, this is just my new design.
Where can people pick up one of your designs? Where can they purchase a shirt or, you know, your clothing?
Okay, you can catch my clothing line at stvygoldco.bigcartel.com. That's my website, the online shop. It's updated weekly, and we drop new merchandise very frequently.
All right, guys, that's been the summer meetup presented to you by the Rosewood Barbershop and Royal Flush. Of course, I am your host, Ramiro Ortiz, as always, and we're gonna bail out of here because it's May the 4th, and we're gonna go check out some Star Wars, and the show's almost over. So may the 4th be with you, and we'll see you next time.